Hello. Today we will discuss over minimum dose. So as you know, in homeopathic system of medicine, it is said that the dose should be minimum. So how to establish that which dose is minimum? How can one decide? How can a physician decide that yes, this is the minimum dose? So first of all, to know what is minimum dose, before I reach to that point, let us clear that what is the purpose of giving the dose. The purpose of giving the dose is to produce an artificial disease very much similar to the disease manifestation, that is natural disease manifestation. So our aim and object and our principle says that when an artificial disease which is going to be produced in a sick person should be stronger than the natural disease so that it can annihilate the disease. So phenomena is this. So now the minimum dose will that much amount of dose which is sufficient. What I am saying, the minimum dose which is sufficient to produce the desired action of the medicine, that is nothing but to produce a similar artificial disease slightly stronger than the natural disease. So this is called the minimum dose. So now how can a physician understand that whatever the medicine he is going to give will be the minimum and not the maximum, whether one dose, whether two dose, whether three dose, what? So again this is the same answer, that we need to give, if, mind it here very carefully, if that the totality of symptoms has been taken, individualization has been done, and after case processing, if a medicine is chosen which is very much similar to the individual person suffering, that is disease of the individual person, then the dose of the medicine will definitely, if it is a similar, mind it, if it is a similar, then it will definitely produce slightly stronger dynamic affection, dynamic disease that is artificial to the natural disease, and according to the phenomena and according to the principle of homeopathy, that a weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished under the similar and stronger influence of the dynamic action of any disease or in medicinal action. So that medicine will affect a cure. So this is what I wanted to focus over, that minimum dose is that much amount of dose which is sufficient to produce a similar artificial stronger disease in the sick person. Okay, so we will discuss in next video that why in homeopathy minimum dose is required. Yes.